I see why they call them breaker bars now. What's up, everybody? What a fantastic way to start the video. Today we're going to show you guys how to DIY paint your own wheels. I'll show you guys all the supplies we have. Paint, primer, sander, filler, stuff like that. First of all, I need to get the car jacked up and I'm going to take the wheels off. You can leave the wheels on your car, but I really would not suggest it. We're going to go ahead and lift the car. Mine's lowered, so I need to put it on blocks first. So I got 2x4s. I'll be right back. Got basically every grit sandpaper we could need, Scotch-Brite pads, these to make the spraying easier, acetone to clean the surface up. The polishing and this compound here are strictly just for cleaning the lips up on these wheels, so you can ignore this part if your car doesn't have chrome lips on it or anything. Tack cloths, microfibers, and painter's tape. That's roughly what you'll need to do this somewhat properly. Of course, this is spray paint, so it's not completely professional, but this will give you hopefully professional results. Like I said I was going to do before but didn't do, I'm gonna lift my car now.
You suck. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop.
All the wheels are up, not off yet, but up and loose, so should not be difficult to take off from here. The real reason I'm repainting these is because they're really tarnished, the faces and the lips are. They're nice wheels, they just need help, but hopefully it'll be fixed after today.
Wire brush?
Yeah.
Can I use it?
On that?
Yeah.
That vibration goes really well with it. Did you hear that? That womp womp. Hi. Hey, where are you?
At my house.
Okay, are you coming over?
Basement or up top?
Up top at the garage.
I'll be there in a second.
Okay, bye. So we are finishing sanding the wheels. We started primering some of them. This one's still not done.
Cause I fucking worked on it.
Jacob is the slowest sander I've ever met. Although his skin color says Mexican, his work ethics
Say white guy.
nah, yeah, dude. They say white guy.
Bro, fuck you.
Bro, don't talk to me like that. See that? So this is the last one that got finished sanding. All the others are pretty well progressed to the primer stage. As you can see, it's all really even. I will update you guys on the next step when we get there. We got the mystery man here. Hi, Jacob. Hi. Hi.
It's been a while.
Hi, it has been a while. If you guys don't recognize Jacob, that's because he's not always in the videos, but Jacob is the man behind the edits. When I say keeps up, I mean once a week he puts out a video. Yeah, he takes his time. But anyway, we are wet sanding the wheels right now. All the primer's roughly done. They just left a pretty bad texture, so now they're getting wet sanded, and our heater is. We're gonna wet sand them now, and then put on the first layer of paint, which should be easy. So we're laying down the first coat all around, being very gentle with this. I'm using one of these spray handle things.
Don't buy the sure grip things from Walmart, because if you put it on that nozzle, that's
Just exploded on my really expensive paint job, which is cool.
I put this one right where it says it's supposed to go on a paint can, and apparently it didn't like that, so it exploded.
Never hire Matt Clean. Oh, take notes, everyone. This is why. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing real quick. These center caps are worth some money, so I'm cleaning them up while I have them out. And I polished them. So like I was saying, guys, just a minute ago, always hire Matt Queen for your work.
I don't think that's what you're saying.
That's what I was saying. You shake my hand.
I'm not shaking that hand.
Oh, that's fucked
I
up.
don't know what you just said about me.
Hi, Matt. So can exploded, and all they had was sap. So look, if you guys watch our videos and you're like, how does it that everything goes wrong all the time for them?
Do it on purpose, dude.
Yeah, we do it on purpose. Yeah, right. Because we want to paint.
We
cans
just
this
paint
low.
all over the 350 everywhere, just
for fun. It's not gonna get us any more views. Just for fun. We just thought it'd be fun. Wow. Yee. We're gonna spray it real quick.
oh, that spray's nice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're looking really nice though. The coats went on pretty even.
Very even.
Very, very even. I know you can't see, they don't have gloss right now, but
Those look good.
they look really, really, really good. Oh yeah, I wish we got some footage of that, but
Yeah, send it
we just
over.
put them in a vise and
Put some polish on it.
here, let me see it again, I'm sorry. So if you guys can see that, they're really nice, cleaned up. Listen, I'm on day 2 of doing this. This is my second day having the car on jack stands in the air with the wheels off, getting painted. Take your time, do it right. I'll real quick show you guys. It's on screen right now, but this is what poor painting of wheels looks like. This was me rushing it, not caring, not taking the time to do it properly, not sanding them. Yeah.
God, those were. I saw the potential. Ugly as balls.
Look at these wheels compared to the wheels I just showed you. Look at how even these paint coats are. Take the time. Don't rush it. Do it right. Hey, we're here with the respirator killer over here. Matt has destroyed 2 respirators already and blamed everyone else. So if you look, we have staples in that one. There's staples in mine. And Matt somehow says it was no one else. Anyway, putting another layer of clear coat on the wheels. They're coming out pretty nice, pretty glossy. Polish will really help clean them up. They're very nice to the touch right now. A little bit unsmooth, but not terrible.
Can't wait to see them with the chrome.
Can't wait to see them with the chrome.
With the chrome.
We have Jacob here. We're at the wet staining stage. You're just gonna go ahead and get some water, some wet or dry sandpaper, and just gently go over the surface to try to smooth out all the imperfections it has. I'm sure you can see those, the spotting. You want them to be smooth. So, just gonna try to do that and not seeing through the clear coat at all. Just to try to make it very uniform. He's doing those 2, I'm doing these 2. We'll be right back. The wet sanding is done, as you can see from as best angles as I can get. You can see how it's a little spotty now. It's very smooth. It's extremely smooth. You can tell from that it just looks a lot cleaner than it did. So now we're gonna let all the water from the wet sanding sit, do another clear coat or two, and then polish. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Tonight, this moment is a big moment. We're gonna take off the chrome and see how well the tape was done. If this one's good, I must have done it. But if it's bad, I guess it was probably Jacob.
This is the wheel I did tape, so.
I'm gonna slap the center caps in there. Just so you see, they're genuine wheels. Haters, you can come beep my beep, because they're genuine. I really, this is what I was hoping for, by the way, the chrome with white. I really like the way that looks. It's really just a good look. So, the big money shot, in my opinion, is gonna be taking this off. We're gonna make you guys wait a little bit longer. Now I'm gonna clean off the tires on at least this one, so we can get an accurate picture of what they'll look like. So I'm gonna clean the tire. If you guys are following along and didn't do this either and didn't, cover the tire, I'm gonna use acetone and a toothbrush.
How the fuck are they gonna be following along?
What do you mean, how are they gonna be following along? They're painting wheels at home.
Okay,
Yeah.
but.
Okay.
No.
Hater, what? What do you gotta say?
No.
So if you're, hey, listen.
Hey, if this is a tutorial, then we just missed half the tutorial.
What do we miss?
Did you explain how you were we were taping on?
Tape it off. Go to Walmart, buy a roll of this stuff, and then just, all right, Jacob, I'm gonna make your day shitty, future Jacob. Put a list of measurements right here of different tape sizes and prices. See how nice that's coming off, guys? Camera guy, you following along at home, camera guy?
There, you follow me, camera guy?
See, so I'm just gonna clean up the tire real quick, make it look nice again, and we'll be right back for the big reveal. 2 hard days of work, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to see if it paid off today. And we're gonna just slowly pull away the steps. We polished some of the wheels, and this is definitely not one that got polished, which kind of stinks. Me and Jacob were just catching up on each other's day. If you guys don't know Jacob, Jacob's been a part of this since, day one. Well, around there. Basically, I used to edit some of the videos terribly. If you look back at them, they're just, you can tell which ones I did and which ones he did.
First ones I fully did were the old wheel videos.
Oh yeah, those were good though. And Jacob kept bugging me. Jacob lives next door, by the way. Jacob was like, dude, I can take your videos to the next level, man. I can make these look crazy good. I was like, yeah. Whatever. And then one day he was like, here, I'll come over and film my own footage, and I'll edit that and see what you think. And I was like, whatever, guy. I just got my nice camera, the one that we're filming on now, before I dropped it 7 times. We ended up just kind of collabing, and we just decided to keep going with it. Here we are.
Never took your videos to the next level.
No, they still stink. Oh, that is a clean line. Damn. Shout out to Lowso JBA on this one.
Oh.
This is his tape job that we're looking at here. And let me say, magnificent. Might have leaked through, actually. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh, it's wet.
Oh no.
Oh, no. That's what the kids care about, dude. Remember that drip shot? Throw back to that drip shot I did. Anyway, I was just messing around until I said what I was actually gonna say. We're so backlogged on videos. We have videos from like 3 weeks ago, and Jacob and me are editing one tonight, and I'm like, dude, I don't even remember what I did that day. That was like a week and a half ago. Compared to white and worn out silver, that looks fantastic. I'm finding my phone so I can take the picture.
Put it on.
Put it on Instagram.
What's our Instagram?
Lowso Media. Put it on the screen real quick. Hey! Woo! That's our Instagram. Check us out. We post. It's mainly me. I post a lot about my car on there. This thing's kind of cool. If you care about a really, really rare, badass looking Nissan. All right, let's get here. Shine the light down there so I have the light on him. Oh yeah. So now I got that boomerang. Cool stuff, man. So this is what it looks like all in the car. Pretty happy with the results. By the way, I know I was like, who cares, dude? I'm getting new tires anyway. I really wish I taped the tires off and took an extra minute and a half to do that. But whatever. We'll see you guys in the next one.